There is a pattern that is hidden inside family histories that most people overlook. Some families experience generations of struggle, limitation, and delay, and years pass where very little appears to change. The outside world assumes that the line has simply reached its limit. Yet history shows something different. Sometimes what appears to be loss is actually preservation. Before this lesson ends, you will understand why prosperity sometimes appears suddenly around a particular person in a family line, even after decades or centuries of difficulty. Because in many cases, that prosperity was never lost. It was simply waiting for the moment it could safely return. And the person through whom it returns is rarely random. Most people believe prosperity begins with the individual who achieves it, but historical records suggest another pattern. Many breakthroughs that appear sudden are actually the final stage of preparation that has been carried through multiple generations. A family may endure hardship for decades while values, knowledge, and spiritual commitments quietly travel through the bloodline. When the right individual appears, the stored prosperity begins to move again. The world celebrates the visible success, but the real story began long before that person was born. Prosperity that travels through generations, it behaves differently than prosperity that is created quickly. It moves carefully. It appears at the moment when someone emerges who can carry it without destroying it. Across cultures, there are repeated examples of prosperity that is traveling through family lines. In the biblical record, the rise of Joseph in Egypt appears sudden to those watching the story unfold. But Joseph's elevation did not begin with Joseph, it began generations earlier with the covenant made with Abraham. That promise traveled through Isaac, Jacob, and the entire family line before reaching Joseph during a national crisis. Joseph did not begin the prosperity, he was the moment it surfaced. Another example appears in the merchant dynasties of Europe. Families built prosperity not in one lifetime, but through careful preparation across generations. Knowledge, discipline, and long term thinking passed quietly from parents to children. By the time the world noticed their prosperity, the foundation had already been laid. Asian traditions also describe a similar belief. And Chinese philosophy speaks about generational virtue accumulating across family lines. A family that protects certain values for long periods eventually sees those values produce visible prosperity. Different cultures describe it differently, but the pattern remains the same. What one generation plants, another may harvest. One of the most misunderstood parts of generational prosperity is the delay that often appears before it surfaces. A family may go through periods where it seems as if every opportunity disappears. Doors close, resources seem scarce, years pass where nothing appears to advance. Yet, in many historical examples, those seasons were actually preparation. And during those years, something else was being developed: character, vision, and understanding of responsibility. Prosperity that appears without preparation often destroys the person who receives it. But prosperity that follows long preparation tends to build something far more lasting. This is why certain individuals in a family line seem to carry unusual levels of responsibility or maturity long before success arrives. Their life has been preparing them to carry something larger than personal gain. Hidden prosperity rarely surfaces through every member of a family. History shows that it usually appears through one particular individual, and that person often shares several characteristics. They are frequently the one who felt different within the family environment, the one who asked difficult questions, the one who refused to abandon values that others considered inconvenient. And in many cases, the individual also endured rejection from those closest to them. This pattern appears repeatedly in historical stories. Again, with Joseph being rejected by his brothers before becoming the one who preserved the family during famine. King David was overlooked by his own family before becoming the leader who established a lasting kingdom. The person through whom prosperity appears often walks the most difficult road first. And it's not because they were unlucky, but because their life was preparing them for something larger than their own success. Whenever prosperity begins moving through a family line, attention begins to gather around the person carrying it. Some people feel drawn to that individual, others begin studying them closely. Some quietly hope to benefit from what they sense is coming. History shows that moments of rising prosperity often attract both loyalty and rivalry at the same time. And the person through whom the prosperity appears must learn something important. Not everyone who approaches them understands what they carry. Some only recognize the opportunity. And this is why wisdom becomes essential during seasons of restoration, because prosperity attracts attention long before people understand the purpose of the prosperity. Historical patterns point to one consistent factor: values. Prosperity connected to lineage often follows the preservation of certain principles across generations: integrity, responsibility, care for others, and a commitment to truth. When those values remain alive in the family line, prosperity tends to reappear again and again. But when those values disappear, you have families with criminal mindsets and they are abusive, violent. The prosperity fades with them. And this is why one individual in a family can become the turning point. Their life restores something earlier generations protected. When the restoration happens, the stored prosperity begins moving again. And suddenly the family story begins to change. The greatest misunderstanding about prosperity is that it belongs to the person who receives it. In reality, much of it belongs to the generations that came before. Someone carried hardship. Someone protected values during difficult years. Someone refused to abandon what was right even when it cost them opportunity. The world rarely remembers those people, but their choices often prepared the prosperity that appears later. The person who receives it simply becomes the visible chapter of a much longer story. So when prosperity begins to appear around a particular family or an individual, the world often calls it luck. History tells a different story. Generations may have been preparing that moment long before anyone alive today was born. And sometimes the person who experiences the restoration is not the one who started the journey. They are simply the one chosen to complete it. I'm going to end it here. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one.